ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲೂಮಿಕ್ಸ್.ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಯೋಜಕತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾನ್ಸೂನ್ ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಎಂಡೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಮಿಲಿಂದ್ ಸೋಮನ್ ಅಥ್ಲೀಟ್, ನಟರು ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯುಳ್ಳಂತಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಅವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಈವೆಂಟ್ನ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Milind, this event is happening for the first time in Bangalore. So give us some details about this event. Why a monsoon marathon?
Well, one thing is that the monsoon as a season is normally avoided by runners and by people who think that it's not safe to run in the monsoon. Maybe the rain falling on your head is harmful. There may be diseases that are spread in the monsoon, or many other kinds of myths that we have. So we want to break that kind of myth and say that you can run anytime, you can also run in the monsoon. So if we create a fun opportunity and an exciting opportunity, then people will come out and run, and hopefully they will begin to run regularly.
Okay. And you being a health enthusiast, always you are into marathons. Yes. So what kind of experience you are looking out for in Bangalore?
Well, I've always had a fantastic experience in Bangalore, especially where running is concerned, because the running community in Bangalore is really enthusiastic. They're always excited about new things happening. That is why, in fact, we decided to do this unique concept first in Bangalore, because we knew that the people in Bangalore would really take to that concept quickly, because we want to take it to other cities. So when you do it in Bangalore and they see the excitement, even Chennai will say, we want this monsoon marathon. So the kind of support that we have got in Bangalore, even for the Pinkathon, it was really, really huge. So everybody told me, when you're doing a women's running event, women won't run. Women don't run, they're conservative, they're this, they're that. But we had 5,000 women who ran in the Pinkathon in Bangalore in February. So even for the monsoon marathon, we're expecting a very good response. The registrations have already started. The people have already expressed their interest, and we're happy.
Okay, and we heard that Milkha Singh is also participating in this event. So what do you like to say about that?
Yes, we're really, really happy that he agreed to be an ambassador for this event. And of course, he's not going to participate. He's going to come and flag it off. And he has always been a very strong proponent of the fact that running is good for health and everybody should run. It's not necessary you have to run to represent the country or to run in the Olympics. It is for your health, it is for yourself, for your family, and for your country in that way. Because a healthier society is a stronger country. So it's not necessary you have to represent your country so that to bring good things to the country. It's your own health. Everything starts with yourself, so you can make that contribution. And what is easier than that? If you want to contribute to your country by being just healthy, it's easy, right? Yes. So he has always been very strongly supportive of that idea, I feel, and we are happy that he is here with us.
Okay, when is this event flagging off?
On the 31st of August.
So
I hope to see you there.
Yeah, thank you.
For sure.
Yeah, sure.
With all your colleagues from your channel. Yeah, all of you. I want to see all of you there in your t-shirts saying ETV.
ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಮಿಲಿಂದ್ ಸೋಮನ್ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಂಥೂಸಿಯಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಈ ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಖ್ಯಾತ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಟು ಮಿಲ್ಖಾ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಈವೆಂಟ್ನ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ನಾಗೇಶ್ ಜೊತೆ ಭವ್ಯ, ETV ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು.